Hey, what's up guys? David O here with you guys. I just want to make this short video on just saying welcome and congrats. So just by opting in, your email is just telling me that you guys want some more information. You guys are serious on making money online. So just kind of want to say that I know you guys can do it. I know you guys will succeed. You have to do the 15-day challenge. And honestly, don't worry about it. So if you guys are nervous or scared about not having somebody there to help you along the way, there's business advisors. There's myself that can answer questions. And also, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee if you guys decide to leave or whatever, right? So let me take you behind the scene. I don't want to make this long. I just want to make this kind of short here. Let me just kind of take you back here real quick. So this is the actual page where you first get started and register. But if you scroll down, it's going to show you everything that's inside the 15-day challenge. What you do on day 1, what you guys talk about. Day 3 is they build a business in front of you in 30 minutes. So they show you what to do. They talk about lead generations, how to generate lead, copywriting, sales. This is a marketing program. This is not just for affiliate. This is a marketing program. So if you have your own products that you're selling, this is going to teach you how to market. If you're trying to be an affiliate, market other or promote other people's products, this is marketing. So brings you down. They even give you bonuses in this 15-day challenge. They give you high-ticket business plans, Facebook ad templates that's going to show you what to write, how to write them, and what to post on your ads when you're going to make some ads on Facebook. High-ticket email templates, what to write in your email templates. They already have them pre-filled out. Video scripts, what to say on videos. Phone scripts, so if you're going to be talking to somebody one-on-one. And right here, number 6, the one-on-one business consultant that I said, you're going to have somebody in your side walking you through when you have questions, when you need answers, are confused, don't know what to do. I still talk to my business advisor and I still go and consult to him and ask him questions when I get stuck or when I need some help or guidance or something like that. So you get all of this for $7. So that is crazy. So yeah, and then I'll take you down here. This is my background when you first get in it and you register. You have all your days on the left here, and of course I have them all unlocked. And they kind of go through it, and yeah. Here's some other reviews here, some other people that's actually had success. You have from like younger generation to like the older crowd still doing it, and they actually interview them and they tell their story on how they started. They were in debt, they needed help, they lost their job, whatever. They're all normal people. So you have reviews. It's kind of showing you that people's made $6,000 commission, $1,000 commissions. Like, it's just crazy how much you make. Here's my Facebook. So I want to show you, once you actually opt in and get registered in here, you'll be able to join the Legendary Marketer group. And this is a group where you're going to be able to ask 23,000+ people if you need questions, if you're stuck. They're actually already been in your shoes. If you're an affiliate, you get to get into the affiliate group. And then, of course, if you buy the business blueprint, which I did, you also get some more crowd and more information once you get into that program there. So it's unbelievable on how it happens. You know what? Let me show you this. So this is my desktop here. Let me show you. I actually took a screenshot, believe it or not, when I made my first commission. So here you kind of see that this is my first commission back in August 26th. So probably about like a month ago. It's like the 17th or the 18th of September right now. I made 19 cents. I took a screenshot because I was so happy that I made 19 cents. I know it's only 19 cents, but this is just kind of showing me that I'm able to make money online. This is social proof that if you put the work in, you will actually get commissions. So here is September 15th, 2 days ago. So this is my background, and I'm just showing you just to show you guys that it is possible. So out of a whole month, less than a month, I've been able to make $100 in a month. So just by starting out, I started like at the end of July, beginning of August. Yeah, it took me about 2 weeks. So yeah, that's about right. It took me about 2 weeks to go through the 15-day challenge, made my commissions, and I'm already in a month and a half already starting to make $100 a day. You kind of see that I haven't made anything the last 7 days or yesterday. I just been out of town, so I had to actually go work out of town, but now I'm back. But I'm just showing you here that you can make money online. So this is my actual background here, or my board. So I was in your shoes not too long ago. I didn't really know what affiliate marketing was a couple months ago, and honestly, I didn't even know what a funnel was about a month ago when I first started this. And now look, I've already made $100 online just by gathering the information, putting the work in, and gathering the information. So honestly, don't worry about it. So I know you guys can do it. I'm just a regular person just like you guys. I just wanted to say congrats. Please reach out if you need any information. I answer all my messages, all my emails that come in. If you want to email me, if you want to set up a FaceTime, Skype, Zoom one-to-one so I can answer your questions if you have any doubts. Also join my Facebook group. I have a Facebook group where I put more information and get detailed. My YouTube as well is in there. I don't want to keep on going on and on, but I just want to say congrats, and I know you guys are going to be able to do it. So I know you guys are going to succeed. So reach out if you guys need anything, okay? Thanks, guys. We'll see you guys. We'll talk to you soon.